In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a Wayfair CJ product using the Deep Link Builder. If you're looking to monetize content by promoting Wayfair products, this guide is your ticket to getting started with affiliate links in just a few minutes. First, let's start by logging into your CJ or Commission Junction account. Head over to the CJ website and enter your login details. If you're new to CJ, make sure you've set up your account beforehand so you have full access to all the tools you need. Once you're logged in, your main dashboard will be your go-to space for affiliate resources. Now let's navigate to the Deep Link Builder. You'll find this tool under the Links section in the CJ dashboard. The Deep Link Builder is an essential part of creating affiliate links because it allows you to transform a regular product link into one that can earn you commission. Next, once you're in the Deep Link Builder, look for a drop-down menu under the Advertisers section. Here, you'll want to select Wayfair. Wayfair's extensive catalog means you're likely to find a product that aligns perfectly with your content niche. With Wayfair selected, your next step is to visit wayfair.com to find the specific product you'd like to promote. Browse through the categories, keeping in mind what your audience would be most interested in. Once you find the product, simply copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Head back to the CJ Deep Link Builder, and in the Enter a Page URL box, paste the URL you just copied. Ensuring the URL is correct is crucial because this URL will be the basis for your affiliate link. After pasting the URL, click on Create Deep Link. The Deep Link Builder will generate a unique affiliate link for the product. This link is now your key to earning commissions whenever someone makes a purchase through it. Finally, once you have your generated deep link, copy it and integrate it into your content. You can place it in your blog posts, YouTube, video descriptions, or even in social media bios and posts. Be sure to remind your audience that you may earn a commission through these links, as transparency builds trust with your followers. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to create affiliate links for Wayfair products through CJ's Deep Link Builder. By linking products that resonate with your audience, you won't just earn commissions, but you'll also enhance the value of your content. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on affiliate marketing and content monetization. See you in the next video.